Recently, I have come across so many posts on social media, especially on Facebook and X, saying that there are so many military officers that got disabled when they were serving Nigeria, and so many policemen that even died on service on the battlefield on mission, that their families are left stranded without any help from the federal government. Now, these posts are reacting to the gift Tinubu gave the Super Falcons for winning the African Nations Cup in the women's competition in Morocco. This is my take on it. Yes, before you blame Tinubu, I want you to blame yourself a little bit. Because we live in a nation where people don't reward hard work, people don't reward sincerity, people don't reward even people that speak the truth. They don't reward anything sincerity. They reward falsehood, illusion. They reward lies. Now, I am not saying that the Super Falcons don't merit anything. After all, it's a normal thing Nigeria normally do, maybe by giving them house or all those things. That is a normal thing. But you see the people who are dying to protect you, their families are suffering, no food, no money, and so on and so forth. Now, this is because even someone like you, if you see the news that there is an attack in Benue State, in Enugu, in Ebonyi, in Yobe, in Borno State, you know what you are going to do? You will skip the news. What are you looking for? You are looking for the news that Portable and VDM are quarreling. You are looking for the news that Obi Kubana is doing burial or something. That is the way Nigerians were conditioned to be wired. We don't take things serious, things that concerns our future generation, our destiny. We don't take it serious. But we are concerned about celebrating lifestyle, celebration, fame. This is Nigeria for you. And that is why the country is going down. Until we start rewarding people who are telling us the truth, the people that are being persecuted for speaking the truth, the people that are in detention because they spoke, people that they have killed because they spoke. These people don't want you to speak the truth. They have a pattern, a way of life, a corrupt way, very dangerous way, because these people, they already know that this country is not going anywhere. They have their doctors abroad, their main account number is abroad, their bank is in abroad, their houses are in abroad, even their children's school in abroad. Everything they do is in abroad. If they trust the nation, if they know the nation is going to survive, why can't they do something in their country? Like, wait a minute. Do you think that since, let me say, the onset from the amalgamation of Nigeria, let me put it that way, or let me say since 1960, now, are you telling me that Nigeria don't have money to build a standard hospital that can stop these government officials from traveling abroad? What are you talking about? The money these people spend abroad is enough to build, standard hospitals, the whole 36 states in Nigeria. They don't mean well for you. They don't mean well for you. The earlier you realize this, the better for you. So, I see some governors as well. They said they built first-class schools, they did everything, and at the end, they send their children abroad. I asked the second question. If the school you are calling first class is not good for your child, meaning the school is a substandard school, you don't want your children to go to the school you built, but you want the gullible ones, the poor people, who don't even know that you built the school with their money to go to the school. Nigeria is a crime scene. Either you like it or not, there is nothing that will change this country unless people come together in peace to talk how they are going to go on their separate way based on security and resources of this country. And secondly, if that thing did not happen, people will be pushed to a very bloody revolution very, very soon because things can't continue in this way. Everything, inflation, things are skyrocketing in the market. But you know what? Salary is not changing. The minimum wage is fixed at 75, right? There is nothing the amount can buy in the market that is reasonable. Are you talking about a bag of rice, or to mention but few? Before, when people were receiving 35,000 naira, you could buy a motorcycle for 300,000, 350,000. But now that people are receiving about 70, just times two, the same motorcycle is almost times four. So I want you to understand the kind of prison that they have subjected Nigerians to. This is a very serious, prison. So this is my take on what people are circulating on social media, that what Tinubu did is totally wrong, that is not supposed to be so. Well, in one angle, they are very, very correct. In the other angle, many people are to be blamed. We have to apologize to so many people that that are telling you the truth, but you bullshit them. You tell you even use derogatory words against them.
Don't ever believe that a politician is a leader. Don't ever believe that. Because the system that we have produces politicians. It doesn't produce leaders. And so you can have a politician who knows nothing about leadership, and he's leading you. Politicians are concerned about the next election. That's all they're interested in. That's why they cannot be leaders. But leaders are different. Leaders are concerned about the next generation. I want you to compare those two thoughts the next time you have a politician come to your house wanting to vie for your vote. Just ask him, what is your vision for my children? I will sit and listen for 20 minutes for you to tell me what it is. He will leave your house because he has no interest in your children's children. His concern is to stay in power, to keep the position, to win the next election. This is why they cannot lead. When you are going to have a conversation with a politician, you should actually try this as a test. You, by the way, as a citizen of a community, you have a right to be seen by the mayor. Hope you know that. If you voted for a mayor, the mayor works for you. Therefore, you have a right to see him. You can make an appointment to see any public officer you voted for. Did you know that? That's your legal right. If he don't want to see you, you can take him to court. That's democracy. So I want you to make an appointment to go and see your mayor or go and see your governor and just sit and say, I want 30 minutes with you, sir. And ask him about that list right there. Sir, what is your purpose for being in leadership in this city? What is your purpose? The first question will make him very nervous. Second question, what is your passion for our community? He'll be wondering what you're talking about. What are you talking about? I just want to build roads and bridges and provide jobs. No. What is your passion? And this is why we need to question the leaders we have. And so I have a little thought here. I call it politics versus leadership. Let's talk about it for a second. Number one, politicians focus on programs, not vision. Number two, politicians' priority is securing the next election, not securing the next generation. Their focus is different. Number three, politicians are preoccupied with promises, not purpose. What we need is statesmen, stateswomen. We don't need more politicians. A statesman is an interesting human. A statesman thinks of the next generation.